Today's video is about a face pack for fair, glowing, clear skin. It is a secret face pack and the easiest way to whiten and rejuvenate your skin. It not only helps to remove tan but also brightens up your skin and makes it look healthy and glowing in just 7 days, which is a dream for everyone. To prepare this face pack you need chickpea powder. Chickpeas are a good source of magnesium that helps reduce fine lines and smoothens out your skin. Wild turmeric powder. Wild turmeric has antibacterial properties that treat acne and acne scars or remove unwanted hair from your skin. Honey. Honey hydrates your skin deeply and also fights against acne. It gives a natural glow to your face. Yogurt moisturizes and hydrates your skin. It also improves your skin texture. Take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of chickpea powder, 1/4 teaspoon of wild turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix them well to get a paste. Apply this face pack to your face and neck and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rub it gently, and then wash it off with cold water. After washing off, let your face pat dry and apply aloe vera as a moisturizer.